Welcome to our informative video series on manufacturing in Mexico. Today we'll be exploring the country's most common manufacturing industries. Mexico has become a global manufacturing powerhouse, attracting businesses from various sectors. Let's delve into some of the key industries, starting with automotive manufacturing. Mexico has emerged as a major player in the automotive industry. Many renowned international automakers have established manufacturing plants in Mexico, taking advantage of the country's skilled workforce, competitive labor costs, and proximity to key markets like the United States. Mexico produces a wide range of vehicles, from cars and trucks to components and engines, which significantly contribute to the global automotive supply chain. Another industry is aerospace manufacturing. Mexico's aerospace industry has experienced remarkable growth in recent years. With a strong focus on innovation, high-quality standards, and a skilled workforce, Mexico has attracted major aerospace companies. The country is involved in the manufacturing of aircraft parts, components, and assemblies, as well as maintenance, repair, and overhaul MRO services. Mexico's strategic location also provides easy access to the North American aerospace market. Mexico is a leading destination for medical device manufacturing, with a robust regulatory framework and a skilled workforce specialized in producing highest quality products. Many multinational companies have established operations in Mexico to manufacture a wide range of medical devices, including surgical instruments, diagnostic equipment, implants, and more. Similarly, electronics manufacturing is a popular market. Mexico has a thriving electronics industry, manufacturing a wide array of consumer electronics, telecommunications equipment, computer hardware, and electronic components. The country's manufacturing capabilities, coupled with its proximity to the United States, make it an attractive location for electronics companies seeking to establish efficient supply chains and meet the demands of the North American market. Mexico is also a significant hub for appliance manufacturing. Leading global appliance manufacturers have set up production facilities in Mexico to cater to both domestic and international markets. Mexico's skilled labor force, cost advantages, and strategic location have made it a preferred destination for producing appliances such as refrigerators, washing machines, air conditioners, and more. As nearshoring gains prominence, other industries are also expanding into Mexico. For example, furniture manufacturing has seen growth as companies recognize the benefits of manufacturing closer to their consumer markets. Mexico's skilled artisans and competitive production costs have made it an attractive destination for furniture production. Similarly, textile manufacturing has also experienced growth as companies seek to establish efficient supply chains and capitalize on Mexico's proximity to key markets. In summary, Mexico boasts a diverse manufacturing landscape with prominent industries such as automotive, aerospace, medical devices, electronics, and appliances. As nearshoring gains traction, other sectors like furniture manufacturing and textile manufacturing are also expanding into Mexico. The country's strategic advantages, skilled workforce, and competitive production costs continue to attract businesses from around the world. Stay tuned for more informative content on manufacturing in Mexico.